Hello, hello, come sing with me. Let's learn our words so happily. Colors and animals one by one. Learning together is so much fun. The cat is black, meow, meow, meow. The cat is black, let's say it now. Black cat, soft and small. Black is the color, can you say it all? The dog is brown, woof, 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 woof. The dog is brown and that's the truth. Brown dog, running fast. Brown is the color, say it at last. The dot is a blue, tweet, 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 tweet. The cat is a blue, oh what a treat. Blue bird flying high. Blue is the color up in the sky. The dog is a green, hop, 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 hop. The dog is a green, he'll never stop. Green frog, jumping too. Green is the color for